here we are, this time and this place. Time and place, time and place, time and place. So here you are, in this time and place. Welcome. Consciousness always has a location. A calendar is an agreement of a society or a civilization. It is the pinpoint center of any civilization. The absolute dead center of our civilization is called the Gregorian calendar. Nobody even questions it. The Gregorian calendar was the physical measurement of Earth around the sun. The measurement of physical objects moving through space. The absolute dead center of our civilization is focused on only physical evidence. It's the calendar on which all things are bought and sold. Our calendar has directed our consciousness only in that direction, to change or alter your viewpoint, to dominate people's consciousness. It's been that way throughout your whole life. So, here we are, time and place. This time and this place. The Maya had two calendars at the very center of their civilization. The Tzolk'in calendar was 260 days long. This was celebrated every day by every person. Then we have the Tun calendar, 360 days long. And this calendar is known as the Divine calendar. Every 52 revolutions of this calendar, these two teeth match back up. Every 52 tune, all debts were absolved, and they started all over. Our calendar only has to do with our speck of mud going around this little speck of light we call the sun. In a sea of 100 billion stars, in this one galaxy out of 100 billion galaxies in the universe. So how big is our calendar? These guys were looking at something a lot bigger. They certainly weren't timing any physical cycles of things in our solar system. What were they timing? The Mayan calendar is in 9 different levels. That's why all those pyramids down there are all 9 levels. That each one of these levels is subdivided into 13 individual sections. There are 7 periods of light, and there's 6 periods of dark. 7 days and 6 nights to each level of creation. Each day is a period of increase in consciousness. And each night is a period of applying that consciousness. This very first cycle started 16.4 billion years ago. It's called the cellular cycle. 16.4 billion years is divided into 13 different sections. Each one of them 1.26 billion years long. A day was 1.25 billion years. And each night lasted for 1.25 billion years. Each one of these has a particular intention. in creation. Action, reaction was this whole cycle. The very next cycle started 820 million years ago. And it started going through these same 13 steps. This one was 1.26 billion years each. This one's only 63.4 million years each. This whole cycle fits in that box very comfortably. It's not a coincidence. We're on a schedule. We are on a schedule. The mind. Here, we put down the tail and picked up the mind as a survival tool. The cultural cycle. 8,000 years ago, we developed agriculture, law. Ooh, the Industrial Revolution, power. It is now global consciousness.